Yeah.
Hello everyone.
My name is Firil Muhammad Azmi and my friend.
My name is Ryan Cahyo Mulia Santoso.
Today we are going to doing podcast as English final exam assignment. And yeah, we will going to the podcast. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. We're really happy to hear to you here with us. If this is your first experience, I said welcome, and if you are a regular listener, we say welcome back to you.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for listening. In today's episode, we want to talk about something very close to our hearts as college students.
Yes, today we're going to share our experience about starting life on campus and how we survive in the boarding house, or we usually call it by Anakos.
This topic is very simple, very real, and very relatable, especially for new students who are still adjusting to college life.
Starting college life feels like the big world, another world. On the first day, everything looks big, very confusing and unfamiliar.
I agree. I remember waking up very early on my first day because I was afraid of being late, even though my class started in the afternoon.
Same there. I kept checking my schedule before I'm going because I'm afraid I will getting the wrong class, getting the wrong schedule, and it was happened to me in the first week. Yeah.
Yes, and the campus itself can be confusing. There are many buildings, many rooms, and sometimes the signs are not very clear.
Like what I said in the first week, I was getting into the wrong class, and yeah, I want to go to class, but I'm very confused about the building.
That happened to me too. I didn't want to ask anyone because I was shy, so I just walked around pretending I know where I was going.
Meeting a new people was not that easy. At the first time, everyone was quiet. Everyone very nervous.
Yes, we were all strangers. No one wanted to speak first, and the class felt very silent.
But yeah, the slow change. The group assignment forced us to discuss, to work each other, and to talk each other.
Yes, and that's when friendships started to grow. We realized too that everyone felt the same for fear and confusion.
Besides campus life, living living like us as Anakos is another challenge. Another big challenge.
Living away from home for the first time is not easy. At the beginning, I really miss my family, especially my parents.
Yes, living at home is very comfortable. The food is ready, the house is clean, and we don't need to worry, we don't need to think too much. Yeah?
Yes, but in boarding home, we must take care of everything by ourselves.
We have to wake up on time, but without our parents, and we wash our clothes and we must to clean our room by ourselves.
Sometimes we feel lazy, but if we don't do it, no one else will.
And let's talk about the food. Food becomes a serious problem for anak kos.
Yeah. At the beginning of the month, we feel rich. We eat at nice place and buy snacks.
And the months where goes on, we starting in the middle and in the last of month, we will start to counting our money.
Yes, at the end of the month, instant noodle and fried food become our daily snacks.
Even though it's simple, but those foods are help us to survive.
Living as an anak kos teaches us the importance of managing money.
If we are not careful, we will spend it in the first. We're getting our money and we will spend it without managing our money, and at the end of the month, we will broke.
Sometimes we buy things we don't really need just because they look interesting.
And the coffee is a big temptation. One cup doesn't seem expensive, but if we buy it more and more, it will be a big problem.
Yes, another struggle is managing time. College is very different from high school.
We have more freedom, but in our freedom, we have to responsibility with our freedom too.
There are days when we have many assignments and deadlines at the same time.
So yeah, we stay up late night just for doing our assignment. We won't sleep until we will finish our homework.
And feel tired and sleepy in the class next day.
Even though campus life and course life is very challenging and teach us many things, many important lessons.
Yes, we learn how to independent and responsible for own life.
We also learn how to solve our problem by ourselves.
Living away from home makes us appreciate our parents more.
We realize that what they did for us is not easy. It's very hard. It's all about the struggle.
Yes, campus life is not only about studying and getting good grades.
It's also about growing, it's also about learning, and it's also about becoming a better person.
So, that's our story about starting campus life and surviving as an anak kos.
We hope our story can relate to your life too, especially for anak kos. We want you guys to share with us about how you living in campus and as an anak kos too like us, how you survive, how you managing your time, how you managing your money, and yeah.
Yeah, to all students out there, especially freshmen, don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Every mistake is a part of our success process.
Yes, thank you so much for listening to our podcast.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, and last, goodbye.
Goodbye.